Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to make a photo gallery at connect.dataczar.com. So first of all, go to dataczar.com and we're going to just click login to sign in. And we're already logged in, so it's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's get rid of that. We'll go full screen. And to work on your website, you're going to click on the website button right here. We're going to be working with pages today. Now there's also, this is the website builder for posts. That you can add page templates. You can change your appearance, your theme, settings, but we're going to be working with pages. Let's tab over. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add to our pastures page, we're going to add a slider image gallery right here. And then the second thing we're going to do is we're going to add another page called gallery page, and we're going to show you how to add a gallery to a page. So we're going to do two different things. So let's tab back over, or back on Connect now, and we're on the website button. We're going to go ahead and click on pages. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to edit our pastures page. In just a moment, we're going to create a blank page. That's going to be our photo gallery. But first of all, let's go ahead and edit our pastures page. So we click the edit button right there. And this is our pastures page. This is the gallery section. This is where you're going to add the slider image gallery by clicking that. It opens it up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to choose an image. So we're going to click on choose. We could upload it, but we already have it. Our pictures uploaded to My Images, so we're just going to click on My Images to pull up the pictures. The first one we're going to do is this picture right here of Duck Lake, and so there's the picture, and let's just put in a title, Duck Lake. We could even do a description, Yosemite, California, and let's go ahead and add an item. So we're going to add another one, so we're going to choose a picture right here. I'm going to go back to My Images, and we're going to get this one right here of El Capitan. So let's scroll up, and there it is. There's El Capitan. So let's just do El Capitan. And we're not going to do a description on that one, but we're going to click Add Item again. So we've added those two. So that's going to be our slider image gallery. Let's go ahead and scroll down and click Update. And that's how you add the slider image gallery. Now we want to go back to pages right here. And also when we're done, we're going to go show you the website too. So go back to pages. This time we're going to create a blank page. So click on Create Blank Page. And the title, Gallery. And we're going to scroll down to the editing screen. And we're going to call this our beautiful Yosemite waterfalls. Okay. Just put a title in there. We're going to put that bold. We're going to center it. We're going to go 18 point. And we're going to click Enter. So we're going to be using the 2-column template, the 3-column template, and a single picture. So let's go ahead and start with the 2-column right here. So you click on 2-column, and the reason that you want to do the 2-column and the 3-column is because when you do mobile view, it's going to drop the pictures one right below the other. It works much better than using a table. So make sure you use the 2 and 3-column for doing your gallery. So we're going to do 2-column right here. Now, you see these dashes above and below. We're going to get rid of these. This is all separate formatting between the dashes. So we're going to go ahead and back that up, and we're going to put in a picture. You click the image here, and then you click on the Insert Image icon. Insert Edit Image icon. So we're going to click on that, and we're going to click the up arrow. We're going to go to My Images. And the first one we're going to do is this one right here of Nevada Falls. We're going to click OK. I'm not going to type in, like I could type in Nevada Falls under here. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pull that out and then back out these filler words. So let's go ahead and do the next one here. So we've got Nevada Falls. We're going to click this image here. So click on the image. It highlights it blue. Then you click on the Insert Edit Image icon. Then you click on the up arrow. And then you're going to go to you can upload an image, or you can go to My Images if they're already uploaded. And we're going to use this one here of Vernal Falls. Click OK. So we added those two photos. Let's delete Control Z. We're going to back out these filler words right here. Okay, and then here's that other dash right here. So we got to get rid of this dash. So we're just going to go here. We're going to go left. Just back that up a little bit. And I went too far. So back that up a little bit. And now next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a 3 column. So you scroll up here and you do the 3 column. Click on 3 column. So now we have the 2 column right there. And below it we have the 3 column. So again, you got to get rid of the dash. The dash is just to signify that there's formatting in between the dashes. That's going to be hard to work with if you leave it. So you want to get rid of that formatting. So let's go ahead and start adding these images. Let's go to this one here. We're going to do the insert edit image icon, the up arrow, and my images. So the next one that we want to do is this image right here. That's also Nevada Falls. And we're going to back out the filler words. So just back. And then the next one, I'm going to go through these quickly. Click on the image, click on the insert edit image icon, the up arrow, my images. So we did Nevada Falls. Let's go ahead and do this one right here of Upper Yosemite Fall. And okay. And we'll get rid of these words. And one more. I'm just going to go through this quickly here. Up arrow, my images. So we did that one, that one. Let's do this one here. That's also Upper Yosemite Falls. Okay, and okay. And then again, you have the formatting right here. You want to get rid of that dash. I justify left, then I put my cursor over here and then just back it up a little bit. So right here, we can back this up. It looks like, actually it looks like that's as close as we're going to get those together. And then over here, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to center. This time we're just going to do a single image. So insert edit image icon, up arrow, my images, and we're going to do this picture looking down on Vernal Falls. Click OK. And we're going to stretch this one out, make it a little bigger. So there it is. There's our photo gallery right here, beautiful Yosemite waterfalls. And I mentioned to you earlier that, let's go to preview. If you're on mobile view right here, you'll see that the images drop right below one another. And that's the reason that you want to use the 2 and 3 column templates. So let's go back to the edit, scroll down, and then we're going to click Create to create our gallery page. And we created the page. So we go back up to Pages, and it's all the way down here at the bottom. I'm going to slide this up in our menu. So let's slide the gallery page up right after Pastures. Just put it right there. And we're ready to go to our website. So let's go back to our website. We're going to refresh the page here. So let me refresh it. And there it is. There's the gallery page. Here's the home page. We Control F5 one more time to refresh. So Pastures, there it is. So there's the slider image gallery that we added of the 2 pictures. And then here's the gallery page that we added. And there's the 2 column. The 2 column works really good. The pictures are nice and big. The 3 column, they're going to be a little bit smaller. You can throw in a single image in between. Like we could do another 3 column after that and then a 2 column, something like that. So that looks really fantastic. So let's tab back over to Connect. And one other thing, if you need help, make sure you use the Help button right here. And a good place to go is to the Help Center. You can just click on this. It takes you to our Help Center. And there's like most common questions. There's website help. If you click on more topics, it has a bunch of topics for website help, etc. So let's go ahead and tab back over to Connect and back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to make a photo gallery with Dataczar Connect.